Okay, so to reset the maintenance minder light, you have to navigate to the maintenance section. You go to oil life, and then you push and hold the enter button for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then it shows up, and then you can clear all the items or just specific items that you want to clear. So in my case, I've done item 0, 1, and 7 and 9. So I'm going to clear those individually, but if you want to clear all of them, you can just say all do items. So I'll just do this one. Reset completed. Oil life is back to 100%. And then in orange, you can see the ones that are still outstanding. Okay, thanks for watching.